Dear colleagues, good morning to all of you. This program on the topic school health and wellness was organized by CBSE, and principals and I both attended this training session at Surendranath Centenary Public School, Ranchi. It was conducted on 15th and 16th December 2022. And school health and wellness. Health and wellness, we are familiar to this topic. School health and wellness, uh, in the prelude, in the introductory part, Principal Sir highlighted the importance of health.
You can carry on even
The,
without that we.
do we feel that health is important to each and everyone?
Yes.
First priority. And what is the most important thing in our life? What we feel? We give more importance to money? Huh? No. Health is more important. Then why it has been said that health is wealth?
Because if we are having good health, we can earn wealth. But wealth cannot help us to keep us good health.
Would say.
All the wealth will be destroyed.
If our health is not good, certainly the earned money, our wealth will be wasted, will be spent in getting good health. And school health and wellness. One thing before moving to the topic, I want to know first, what do you mean by health?
Physical, mental, and social status.
Very good. Very good. Do we feel that if we are physically fit, then we are healthy?
No. Mentally and
Emotionally,
We must be
Spiritually.
mentally and emotionally fit. That's why it has been said by George Bernard Shaw. What he has said, that health is harmony of our physical health, emotional well-being, and spiritual spirituality. That is the combination of all these three things. And for good health, what are the things required? One thing I want to make it very clear in the beginning, that it is not going to be conducted one-sided. Okay, we have attended a training session 4 days already. We have attended. On 25th it was, and 27th to 29th. And today is the 5th day. And some of the sessions were quite interactive. We enjoyed. And today also I want the topic is not unknown. The topic is familiar to all. One way or other, we know, we are familiar, and we discuss a lot about health. So certainly we have some idea.
Mic is
And,
working.
we have some idea, and we can share what we feel. For health, what is required for good health? For good health, what is required? Balanced diet. Okay.
Good surroundings, yoga, good surroundings.
Good surrounding. Okay, madam. And for emotional well-being,
Mental peace,
meditation.
mental peace,
Mental peace.
Listening music.
Listening music. Okay, good.
Hygienic habits.
Hygienic.
Habits.
Hygienic habits.
Food habits.
Okay. Can you explain hygienic habits? What do you mean by this?
Food habits. Yes. Hygienic food habits.
Hygienic food habits can keep our emotional well-being good. Our emotion can be balanced properly if our hygienic food
Hygienic food.
hygienic food if we take. Okay,
It will also help us.
it can help us.
homely atmosphere at home.
Homely atmosphere at home, not only in the school,
Not at home, sir.
At home
Also
also.
at working place.
at working place and at home as well.
Atmosphere must be good at working
There
place.
is good
And your
society
colleagues, your-
and positive thinking.
Yes.
Okay.
Positive
Positive thinking. This is related to our thought process.
mental health.
Mental health. Okay, sir. Second, sir, slide. So, when we talk about our health, we are responsible and we are the important component of it. And when we talk about school health, so what are the important components? I mean the stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders? The school health means what?
Administration.
Government of
This
school,
is
private of
the help of students and teachers.
Good, sir. Health of students and teachers.
And other workers.
Okay, so where here we will discuss about our health means the teachers as well as the students' health and how we are going to make balance. And as subject teachers, hardly we think we discuss about health, keeping good health. Sometimes we get time when it is related to any chapter or any topic. We discuss something about health. Otherwise, we only discuss about what? About our topic, our chapter, and in some cases, what happens? The students, in lack of knowledge, in lack of information, they are much more fearful and they are unable to handle the situation, very tough situation. Here are 11 modules, and the first module is growing up healthy. How we can grow up healthy? We will get some definitions of our good health. Health is a state of physical, social, emotional. And second point is, growing up healthy requires a conscious effort towards making health a priority. And we must be very cautious, very alert about our health, then only we can grow up healthy. We have assembled here to especially discuss this one, the third point. This effort is required for all life stages, but it is especially important for the age group of 10 to 19 years marked by rapid physical, cognitive, and social emotional changes. Do we feel that health is important to all the age group people, or it is important only to this age group 10 to 19 years? Generally, we call it adolescence period. When we grow old, I think we should be more cautious and alert. We should take more care of our health. And why this age group has been referred here? Rapid growth is there in this age group, and the children of this age group are not familiar of some changes what occur in their life, and they become panic. They are sometimes fearful, and not only here in the school but even at the home. They don't share with their parents what the changes occur. Adolescence is a period of transition between childhood and adulthood, and for a healthy transition to adulthood, children need to understand and manage changes within them. And how can they manage? How can they manage the changes? If we pass information, if we make them aware of all such changes, then only they can manage. And they also need to manage changing expectations from the outside world. What is the meaning of this in the last point? What do you mean by this? They also need to manage changing expectations from the outside world. Anyone? What are the expectations of the people, of the society, when the child is growing up, where there is rapid change? What is the expectation? That the child should grow like other children of the same group, same age. If there is some differences, certainly that is pointed out. For example, we notice many changes, physical changes, when the child grows from childhood to adulthood. Suppose we notice the voice also changes, the voice of the child. So the child takes, I am talking about the boy, his voice becomes manly voice, and suppose the child has grown up and still the voice has not changed. He is speaking in a shrill voice, in a very shrill voice. He is speaking. So if the child is able to fulfill the expectation of the society, no. Proper counseling is required. What we notice? We notice here, even on the face, on the upper lip, okay, mustache I mean. But some children, they don't have. Do they meet the expectation of the society? No. Is there any problem in the growth?
Yes, certain chemical changes are not taking place.
Okay. So the child is responsible for that? No. So we should make the child confident that this is not your problem. That is.
Education of the child is that the people should not put it in a different manner. It should also be people should behave with that child also in general manner.
That should
Sooner or
be.
later it comes.
Certainly. That should be. That should not be taken in different way. That is not the problem of the child. And we people, I mean, the society should also know that this is not the problem of the child, and any such remark, any such comment, derogatory comment, I mean, can hurt the child. Activity, first activity is I am changing, and by the end of the module, we will come to know about physical changes that occur during adolescence, and we should be able to recognize adolescence as a positive phase of growing up, and we can understand these skills: self-awareness, critical thinking, decision-making, managing emotion, and effective communication. Are we familiar with these skills? We discussed a lot during CCE. And I remember one very short story. It was generally narrated by Principal Matter and Navy Gato. The story of Thirsty Crow. And we find all the skills in that story. Basic skills, I mean. We know the story of Thirsty Crow. So, what are the skills we can find?
एक बार बता दीजिए।
Thirsty Crow. Okay.
Self awareness.
Self-awareness. Self-awareness means what? Self-awareness. So what we have discussed, SWOT. Strength, weaknesses, opportunity to improve, correct it, and threats. Okay. So SWOT is the part of self-awareness. Means knowing your strength and weaknesses and opportunity to improve it and how to face the threats of the life. And the crow, when the crow was thirsty, certainly, as we have seen, so many different stories have been made out of one story. I am not talking about all those stories. The crow, when the crow was thirsty, he searched everywhere, and ultimately he found a pitcher, earthen pot, and the water was very less. A little water was there, and then he tried to put the stones, pebbles inside the pot, and when the water was reachable, he could reach to the water level, he drank. Okay. So what are the skills we find here? Do we find self-awareness?
Yes.
How?
He knows his strength.
He knows his strength.
He knows his weakness also because he can.
He could not go inside the ditch. Very good, sir.
He know opportunity also because what was there.
Water was there.
First and foremost, he knows he has to manage.
Yes.
Yes.
Nobody else is going to give it to him.
Yes.
No one is going to help him. He has to manage himself,
Yeah.
and that's why critical thinking is there.
And the threat is also there. Other may come and drink it.
Yes, sir.
It is better to have logical observation.
That is the
Yes,
threat.
come here, critical thinking.
Okay. Critical thinking is there.
Yeah, logical he was strong.
Logical.
Having a logic.
What is the logic there in the story?
The logic that
How to bring the water up to the level
Yeah.
where he could reach.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's why he started putting pebbles there.
He has taken a decision to take pebbles and keep it. That was
And decision making. Did he decide anything?
Yes, I did.
He decided that he has to manage himself and he has to put the pebbles there in the pot. That was his decision. And managing emotion is not there.
Yeah,
Is
it
there?
is there. पानी जितना उतना ही पिया, आप सोचा कि आपको इससे ज़्यादा नहीं मिलने वाला, इतने में ही संतुष्ट होना होगा।
नहीं, दूसरा ये भी है कि जब देखा कि पानी नीचे है, प्यास भी लगी तो घबराया नहीं।
हाँ, emotion को आपने control
He
किया।
explored the possibility.
Yes.
He managed his emotion there instead of getting disheartened.
Yes,
He
sir.
started searching the way.
Good. Yes, sir, right, sir. So certainly he did not lose his patience. He did not lose his patience. He managed his emotion. Okay? He was not distressed. He was not disappointed. And effective communication? No.
Yeah, he has given a story to us.
He has given a message to the people.
He has given message.
Yes.
If we try to find, we can find all kind of skills. Okay? Anyway.
Every problem has a solution.
Yes, sir. This is the activity, and I think we also divide ourselves in groups, different groups, consisting 4 to 5 members in each group, and we should note it down. About the changes, what we feel, what are the different changes? They have noticed in this. Not only the physical changes, but we should also we should note down about ourselves. That what we feel, that what kind of changes have taken place in ourselves since childhood days. Okay? Physical changes, emotional changes, behavioral changes. And you are requested to write the name of group members. Okay, I'm at the top of the page.
Before I leave for the bank,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
इनका पेपर बट रहा है। एक सरदार जी थे, वो कह रहे थे कि ये बिहारी है ना, ये 100 कमाएगा, 80 बचाएगा, 20 में खाएगा पिएगा। जब बीमार पड़ेगा तो 80 के बजाय 85 के 90 डॉक्टर को देगा। हम लोग पंजाबी लोग 100 कमाएगा, 80 खाएगा, 2-4 पाँच इधर उधर उड़ाएगा, 15 बचाएगा, और डॉक्टर को देने के लिए 5 भी नहीं हमको जरूरत पड़ेगा। तो 10 तो मेरा नेट सेविंग है। आप 10 माइनस में जाते हैं, हम 10 प्लस में जाते हैं। दूसरा ये कह रहे थे कि एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी। चलिए स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारे यहाँ आते हैं तो स्टूडेंट्स उनको चिढ़ाते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स को काउंसिल करना कि किसी में अगर कोई किसी तरह की कोई कमी है या कोई डिले है फेनोमेनन में, तो उसको दूसरे बच्चों को ज़्यादा मोटिवेट करना है कि उसको वो पॉइंट आउट नहीं करे। पहली बात तो है कि यूं ही अपनी तरफ से नहीं कहेंगे कि ये पॉइंट आउट नहीं करो, और अगर कोई बच्चा पॉइंट आउट कर दिया तो उसको वहीं डीप इन द बट वहीं ख़त्म कर देना। एक एग्जाम्पल आपको देंगे। मेरे गांव में सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि अभी 10th में ये बियर्ड एंड माउथ टेस्ट आने लगता है बच्चों को। मेरे समय में 11 इयर्स का मैट्रिक था, मेरे को मैट्रिक में नहीं था, इंटर में नहीं था, बीए में जाकर के ये सब थोड़ा बहुत आया, लेकिन गांव में सबसे पहले आया। सबसे पहले आया मतलब ये कितना आप समय का क्लाइमेटिक और अभी में डिफरेंस है। तो बीए के फर्स्ट ईयर या सेकेंड ईयर में जाकर के हमको, फर्स्ट ईयर में स्टार्ट हुआ, सेकेंड ईयर में कुछ या कंप्लीट हो गया होगा। तो एक मेरे से 1-1.5 साल बड़ा मेरा बगल ही रहे गाँव में, उसको बिल्कुल नहीं। तो उसको गांव के लोग कोई कोई चिढ़ाने लगा कि तुम लोग तो जी में है नहीं कुछ, है ना, हमारे पास तो दाढ़ी मूछ नहीं है, निमुछिया है, ये है वो है। तो उसको एक कॉम्प्लेक्स डेवलप कर दिया। और वो एग्जाम्पल भी दे दे, देखो उसको जो है तो लगता है पढ़ने लिखने से आता है, तुम पढ़ता नहीं है ना इसलिए तुमको नहीं है। अब वो बेचारा मेरे सामने आने और बैठने से उसको एक कॉम्प्लेक्स आने लगा। उसको एक दिन बैठा था तो समझाए, बोले ऐसा नहीं है, कुछ कुछ होता है ना, किसी का खाना लेट से पचता है, किसी का जल्दी पचता है, किसी को दोबारा जल्दी भूख लगती है, किसी को लेट से भूख लगती है, कोई 4 बार खाता है, कोई 3 बार खाता है। बोले ज़्यादा बार खाने से आ जाएगा। अब उसको चिंता हो गई कि मेरे को कैसे आए। लेकिन ये जब उसको समझाए कि इसके लिए भी जो है हार्मोनल चेंज होता है, शरीर में परिवर्तन होता है, वो कुछ होता है, जब समझा तो बोला थोड़ा सबको समझा दीजिए ना, हमको जो लोग चाहते हैं। आई मीन टू से if something wrong is there, something not wrong, something late is there with any of the child, it's our prime duty, it's the first and foremost duty of the teachers to counsel others not to tease him and counsel that particular child not to get teased by anyone, not to get disturbed by anyone. अब जैसे एक लड़की कारगुप्ता साहब यहाँ थे ना, उनकी बेटी रही होगी बहुत छोटी जब वो यहाँ थे 2006-7 के समय में हम लोग से भेंट होती थी। 2009 में मैंने ही पास जगह, उनकी बेटी से ग्रेजुएशन वगैरह में। तो जब वो क्लास 8 में थी, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है, एक ज्योग्राफी में क्वेश्चन आया था, व्हाट इज 100, व्हाट इज 100। उसके घर का नाम तो वही उनके घर में बैठे थे, हम लोग तो पूछने लगे कि सर ये कैसा है। एक्चुअली बाय द वे यहाँ पर टाइम है मिलार का, ही वाज मैथ्स टीचर एंड क्लास टीचर ऑफ माय वाइफ। तो बहुत अच्छे उनके ये एज ए टीचर एज ए स्टूडेंट ये था। तो वही बताने लगे, तो बोले कि सर ये क्वेश्चन आया है, क्या है व्हाट इज 100, ये क्वेश्चन को क्या करना है, तो उसको इवैल्यूएशन के समय उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा या कैसे क्या होगा। तो देन ही कॉल्ड हिज डॉटर किंकी, प्रज्ञा, बट द नेम ऑफ द निकनेम इज किंकी। किंकी बताओ तो वो व्हाट इज 100 का तो कुछ सॉल्यूशन निकला था ना स्कूल में। बोला हाँ, इट वाज व्हाट इज लू, व्हाट इज लू एंड डबल ओ ज्योग्राफी में क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज 100, है ना। तो इट वाज लाइक दैट। तो वो क्या कह रहे थे वो हाँ समझाने पे बात हो रही थी। हाँ, कारगुप्ता साहब की बेटी वो प्रज्ञा, when he was in class 8, so she came in front of us when she was sitting with us. She was very fat. My daughter was very small that time. तो बोलती है, दीदी आप इतने मोटे हैं तो लोग आपको क्लास में कुछ चिढ़ाते होंगे। हाँ चिढ़ाता है सब, क्या बोलता है, हाथी हथनी आ गई, है ना। तो आप कुछ करते नहीं हैं, कुछ नहीं, हम क्या करते, कुछ नहीं, हंस देते हैं, कुछ नहीं, हंस देते हैं और बेड़ा पार हो जाता है। मतलब ये मामला रफा दफा हो जाता है। तो जिसको चिढ़ाया जाता है उसको समझाना है कि तुमको जो चिढ़ा रहा है वो तुमको चिढ़ना ही नहीं है, एक्चुअली इससे कुछ तुम्हारा बनना या बिगड़ना नहीं है। जो जिस बात से चिढ़ता है उसको उस बात से बिल्कुल चिढ़ाया जाता है। तो सी मींस वेरी प्लेनली, वेरी इनोसेंटली एंड वेरी मींस ऑनेस्टली से नहीं, कुछ लोग बोलता है हमें नहीं, तो हम बोलते हैं हाँ ठीक है, मोटे हैं तो बोलो, मोटे हैं तो बोलो। तो कितने लोग बोलते थे नहीं, शुरू में स्टार्टिंग में यहाँ आए थे आदित्यपुर तो ज़्यादा लोग बोलते थे, फिर धीरे धीरे बोलना बंद कर दिए। इसी तरह गारापुर में भी कुछ लोग बोलते थे, हम उसको लाइटली देते ही नहीं थे, बट इट वाज फ्रॉम हर विदिन दैट शी वाज नॉट टेकिंग इट। If the child is not that mature to not take it, feel it bad from within, we have to give some injection from without. इसको समझाना पड़ेगा। That is called counseling.
That is called not reacting, rather responding to it.
हाँ,
Instead of reacting.
Responding befittingly.
Yes.
आएंगे।
Thank you, sir.
थोड़ा आपको भी करना है, बीच में समय निकालना।
So we write the name of group members there
आगे हैं।
at the top, and We will collect and keep these papers also. Okay. Gautam sir is here. Do we need such kind of evidence also? Activities, the evidence for activities. Do we need? Okay. In order to make it more clear, I want to say that how we are different from children. Okay, when we take when we think about our health and our emotional being, our family life. Okay, how we behave in society, how we are different from our children. So one side of the paper we can write 3-4 points. How the children here, points are differences. Okay. Child and adult. पेपर के एक साइड में मैडम हाउ पॉइंट लिखना 3-4 पॉइंट्स कि जो चाइल्ड है उसमें क्या जो है कैसे मैनेज करता अपने हेल्थ को, सोसाइटी को, फैमिली लाइफ को, अपने वेल्थ को, मनी को, ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं एंड हाउ वी डील विद ऑल दिस.
The points
उसको कंपेयर कर लेंगे जो अपने चाइल्ड और एडल्ट के बीच में है, क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों का, जो पॉइंट्स पर है. हाँ, वो चेंजेस
How to manage child emotion and manage. So changes कितना है ना? Physical changes and
हाँ,
behavior changes.
चेंजेस कितना है.
डिफरेंसेस क्या है? देखिए, पहले आप अपना पॉइंट बना लीजिए. मेडिकल चेंज, इमोशनल चेंज, इंटरेस्ट और रेगुलेशन.
That is what we have.
ये चाइल्ड हेल्थ क्या है? इसमें क्या है, इसमें क्या है?
अब चाइल्ड का इंटरेस्ट क्या है और एडल्ट का इंटरेस्ट क्या है.
फिजिकल क्वालिटीज क्या है, इमोशनल क्वालिटीज क्या है.
चंदन सब कैमरा लगा दिया. नहीं आ रहा.
Good morning, everybody. As it is a chapter of class 8 and 10 also that we have to teach in class. So you can get some more points from my teachers. So the changes here given that to write the changes that takes place from childhood to adulthood. What are the changes that takes place? So some changes That's are very common for all. That's are growing in height. It is common to all. All we can see that a child grows in height. The increasing of weight, it is also important. All are increasing in weight. That we can see. When it is a child, we can see milk teeth is appearing. It is also a very common. Then slowly, after a time, we can see that permanent teeth are coming. Okay. So these are the some common changes that are found in all the persons. After that, at the age of puberty, that means the earlier stages of the adolescence, some changes that are found in the boys and girls, somewhat it is different. Some changes are found in boys, some changes are found in girls, and some changes are found both for boys and girls. These are not the general changes, but these are the changes that helps the child to reach at the maturity. That means we can see they are reaching to another stage, that is a reproductive stage. Because we know that just after birth, an organism cannot reproduce. Similarly, a human being also needs some time to start its stages of reproduction. That means after the age of puberty, they are going to enter into the reproductive phase, and there are some changes. But we have to remember that all changes have some significance. Without significance, no changes will take place. God makes our body in such a way that all the changes will take place. But also remember that all should not take place at a particular time, at a particular age for all the students. Like common changes, boys' beard and moustache appear. It also takes place at a different time at the different age, not at the same time. We cannot say that at 13 years age, moustache and beards will appear. Boys changes. In some boys we can found that these places, that is called Adam's apples, will grow and the voice becomes harder. Okay? So it is not found suddenly, but it will disappear on time. A different type of growths takes place. Just like their arms become longer than the legs and so on. फिट नहीं होता है, साइज में फिट नहीं होगा. जैसे कि जब रेडीमेड बनता है कि 30 साइज, तो देखेंगे उस समय के जो बच्चे हैं उसका हाथ इतना निकल गया, हाथ बड़ा हो रहा है. फिर बोलेगा नहीं छोटा दो, जब छोटा देगा तो ये ऊपर उठ जाएगा. इस तरह से एक but the size, that is ratio of legs, hand, body, it will comes up to marks. Voice changes, then that means it is the time of reproduction. Automatically the sperm will start to produce in the testes. Automatically the natural erections of penis will also start at this time, and sometimes it may be excretes. So excretes. Next, in girls, it is somewhat different. The hips enlarges and the breasts start to increase. But what's happened in our students that we have to make them understand, and we say in class 8, and it is chapter bio, there is, and again this chapter is also in class 10, that all those changes, and in girls menstruations also starts. the first menstruation, which is called menarche, that is starts at these ages. So these are the general changes that are found, and some emotional changes also starts at these stages. Thinking changes. बच्चे को हम बोलते हैं, देखो जब बच्चे छोटे रहते हो तुम लोग, तो सुबह मम्मी कांगी लेके घूमते रहती है कि ये आओ बाल झाड़ दे, बाल झाड़ दे, बाल झाड़ दे। तब तो नहीं 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 मेरा टाइम नहीं है, बैग उठाया निकल गया, बाल झाड़े नहीं झाड़े कोई मतलब नहीं है। लेकिन अब जब तुम 8 9 में आ गए हैं तो क्या करते हो, पहले 4 बार मीरा के पास जाओगे, देखोगे बाल ठीक है या नहीं। ये तुम्हारा चेंजेस है, जैसे ये तुम्हारा चेंजेस है, दैट यू आर चेंजिंग। दैट मीन्स दे आर entering at a reproductive phase. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Very nicely you explained. Any other group?
So being a bioteacher, you had explained everything clearly. There is nothing left.
Hardy sir has made everything very clear. If any group likes to add something, any point which was left in the explanation, can add. Yes.
Left so many left.
You will notice very few things you have left. Being a bioteacher, sir had explained nearly everything. A few things I would also like to add. Some emotional changes also come in the child. For example, when he is a child, he is more bold and frank, and as he moves towards his adulthood, he becomes more and more, he or she becomes more and more shy and aggressive. Same we can see, when he is a child, he is just normal and calm. We all are teaching in the classes, in the small classes also and in the higher classes also. Then we ourselves can see the changes which are coming in these children, either they are boys or girls. This we can say it is the emotional changes coming in them. And as they grow towards their adulthood, they become more aggressive and sensitive also. When they are a child, they don't know the feeling of sensitiveness or anything. As we go to the class, when we scold a child, he don't take it so much to his heart. Oh मैम आई डांटी, चलो ठीक है, 1 मिनट चुप रहा, फिर बक करने लगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. The same thing you go and do in class, senior classes, 8, 9, 10 or whatever. आपने एक बार डांट दिया, क्लास में डांट दिया पब्लिकली, उसको बहुत दिल पे लग जाता है, भाई मैम ने डांट दिया, वो पूरा पीरियड उस बच्चे का मतलब मूड ऑफ रहता है. So he or she becomes more sensitive. This is emotional changes. Let's come to the behavior changes. When a child is in his childhood phase, he is so much you can say frank, or you can say bachpana hai usme.
Depending on parents.
Yeah, you can say that. And as he grows towards his adulthood, now comes seriousness in him or her, and sometimes rudeness also. वो छोटे बच्चे कभी आपको जवाब नहीं देंगे, लेकिन बड़े बच्चे कभी कभी मान लीजिए आपको मुंह पर नहीं देते हैं, ये हम सब ने महसूस किया होगा. आपके मुंह पर जवाब नहीं देंगे, बट साइड से जवाब दे देंगे, जो कि हो सकता है आपके कान तक आ जाए. ऐसा बच्चे जानबूझकर करते हैं. They become rude, they become angry, and these are all the adulthood, in his adulthood. And there are no special feelings for opposite gender when they are small kids. We also don't show them all this type of things. Like बच्चे जब छोटे हैं, छोटे क्लासेस में हैं, हम लोग बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स को मिला कर बैठाते हैं. लाइक उनको बैठना ही है. बच्चे का अगर ये फीलिंग आता भी है कि नहीं वो लड़की है, नहीं बैठेंगे उसके साथ, हम वो फीलिंग आने नहीं देते हैं छोटे बच्चों. But as the children starts growing up, they themselves have their feelings, and somewhat in ourselves also. We also don't allow them to sit with girls. We just make rows of boys different and girls different. Likewise, attraction towards the opposite gender starts. when they come in the adulthood. And when they are in the childhood phase, they don't even know that this is a girl and I am a boy. Not now actually. आजकल के बच्चे कुछ ज़्यादा स्मार्ट हो गए हैं. तो पहले ये था कि उतना फीलिंग नहीं था, अब भी है कुछ बच्चों में, ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन वैसे लड़का लड़की वाला भेदभाव पहले नहीं था बच्चों में, छोटे बच्चों में अब नहीं है. लेकिन as they grow towards their adulthood, their liking starts, or whatever starts, the changes in the behavior we can see that she is a girl and she is different from us boys. That's it, sir.
Adulthood, madam, class college में जाके शुरू होता है. Adulthood, it is not the period of adulthood, it is the adolescence.
Not adulthood, I think I didn't use the actual word.
Teenager.
Which word we could say, sir?
Adolescent.
Adolescence.
Adolescence.
Yes.
It is pre-adolescence and adolescence.
Adolescence.
Pre-adolescence,
Pre-adolescence and
puberty,
adolescence.
they are in pre-adolescence.
Hmm.
And after 18, it is the adolescence stage. And adulthood
18 to
stage
18
after
years.
18.
Little children like pre-adulthood.
Childhood to 18 years.
That is what a bio teacher can explain more properly.
आप एक बात बोले कि आजकल के बच्चे, ठीक है, ये बहुत ही अच्छे बच्चे, ठीक वो बात कह रहे हैं कि आज पहले हम लोग नहीं थे इस तरह से, आजकल हो गया है. पुबर्टी, टाइम ऑफ पुबर्टी चेंजेस. What is the time of puberty? If we say it is changes as per their health, that means food, as per their environment and as per their knowledge. हमसे, हमारे इंडिया के बच्चे से बहुत पहले पुबर्टी आ जाते हैं अमेरिका में, इंग्लैंड में, ठीक है. अभी पुबर्टी और जल्दी आते हैं ड्यू टू द रिसोर्सेस, नॉलेज, मोबाइल सबके हाथ में है, हर चीज सब जान रहे हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिक है कि उसके पास पुबर्टी जल्दी पहुंच रहे हैं. नॉलेज, इसीलिए बच्चे शर्माते हैं बैठने के लिए. अभी आप बोले ना, पहले हम लोग बैठते थे, नहीं बैठते. कारण है नॉलेज उसके पास ज्यादा पहुंच रहा है. फूड पहुंचे चाहे नहीं पहुंचे, नॉलेज पहले पहुंच जा रहा है, इसीलिए हो रहा. तो हेल्थ के ऊपर, फूड के ऊपर, एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर, ये सब के ऊपर ये टाइम डिपेंड करता है.
Very nicely explained by your bio teacher, Adi Mukherjee.
Thank you, madam. We have discussed about physical and emotional changes. Is there any difference in our interest? What kind of interest we had in our childhood? At present, interest is same. Our interest has changed. In what way, sir?
जैसे बचपन में लोग जो भी खेलने के जो सामान होता है, जनरली छोटे छोटे खिलौने या आसपास में जो खिलौने होते हैं उनसे ही हम लोग खेलते हैं. फिर जैसे जैसे एज ग्रुप बढ़ते जाता है तो उसमें सभी का गेम इंटरेस्ट भी चेंज हो जाता है. जैसे लड़कियों का गेम अलग हो जाता है, बॉयज़ का जो गेम खेलने का है वो अलग हो जाता है. टेलीविज़न में भी देखेंगे जो प्रोग्राम्स देखने का जो होता है वो बचपन का, और फिर जो थोड़ा सा एज आ जाता है वो भी डिफरेंट हो जाता है. जैसे जनरली देखेंगे जब बचपन में लोग कार्टून ये सब देखना, पोएम ये सब देखना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. लेकिन जैसे ही एज आ जाता है तो फिर गाना हो गया, म्यूजिक हो गया, मूवी हो गया, ये देखना स्टार्ट करते हैं. और फिर एक एक एज आ जाता है तो हम लोग फिर वर्ल्ड से जुड़ने लगते हैं, न्यूज़ चैनल देखने लगते हैं, महिलाएं हैं वो सीरियल में बिजी हो जाती हैं. तो इस तरह से सबका इंटरेस्ट धीरे धीरे वो चेंज होते जाता है. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Very good, sir. And so far as this one relationship is concerned, are we much more responsible when we are a child? When we were child, we were responsible. We are not much responsible. But when we have reached now to the age of adulthood, we have started realizing what the importance of relationship. Okay, and If I talk about money, क्या बचपन में हम लोग ज़्यादा केयरफुल थे अबाउट मनी या अभी थोड़ा केयरफुल हो गए हैं?
बचपन में ज़्यादा था।
बचपन में ज़्यादा केयरफुल थे, पैसा आता था तो सोचते थे कि इसको कैसे सेव करना है, कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करना है।
नहीं, सोचते थे कि कैसे इसको जल्दी से हम लोग यूज़ कर लेंगे तो मम्मी
बस।
पापा ले लेंगे पैसा।
हाँ, बचपन में पैसा आता था तो सोचते थे केवल कैसे खर्च करना है। अभी क्या सोचते हैं उसके बारे में?
अभी
केवल खर्च ही नहीं करना है, बल्कि यदि हमारे पास 10 रुपए हैं, उसमें 2-4 खर्च करना है और 2-4 बचा भी लेना है उसमें। So these are the changes. These are the changes have taken place. एक स्टोरी है यहाँ पर, मैं ही पढ़ देता हूँ इसको। 3 friends are there of the age group 30 to 14 years old. On completing their studies, return to their village. They are very sad to see lack of cleanliness in their village. They plan and divide responsibilities to improve their village, such as increasing awareness among villagers about health, hygiene and wellness, ensuring recycling and bringing children together to clean the village. When they approach the villagers for joining hands with them, they do not get their support. The 3 friends decide to take forward the work and their actions inspire the villagers to join them. Which traits of 3 young people make them take up responsibility for improving cleanliness in the village, even though others did not support them initially? Which quality we notice? Which trait we find? Do they have self-awareness?
Yes.
Certainly. Because when they reach to their village, they notice their surroundings. Okay.
Thinking, we have critical thinking.
Critical thinking is there. Okay. And
Concern for environment.
decision making is there. Decision making is also there. Okay. And emotional skill. Emotional skill is also there.
Involvement care.
Emotional skill in what way?
They are not concerned about themselves only.
They are not
thinking
concerned
the
about
whole
themselves.
village.
Good sir. And even though they don't get the support of the villagers, they are not disheartened.
Disheartened, yeah.
They are not disappointed.
They are doing their best.
They try to manage it. How to inspire, how to motivate the villagers. How can these traits be used by children for their own and their community benefit? These traits certainly not only can help the children but also for the community benefit, because all these skills, all these traits help them to make the village clean.
Now, how it can be done? The question is that.
How can these traits be used?
What steps should be taken?
Okay.
Yeah.
How these traits can be used? We talked about self-awareness.
Yeah. They should
Okay.
be made aware of
The villagers should be made aware of what? The cleanliness,
the importance of
Hygiene.
cleanliness.
the importance of cleanliness.
Recycling,
Okay.
cooperation.
Cooperation and all. All these are the traits. Okay. Can there be any negative effect of these traits? If yes, how can this be
Yes.
reduced?
There are certain negative aspects. Say suppose they are indulge themselves in these activities, it may harm their studies.
It may harm their studies. Okay.
Yes. It should be balanced. The social
Balanced.
work as well as education should be balanced.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if they are not well protected, certainly
Yeah.
their health can be also
Affected.
get affected. That can get affected also. Okay. Another case study is here. Ayush is not 15 years old yet. He is very good at sports and adventurous activities. He is keen to try out new things. He recently saw an advertisement on television that showed a boy performing high jump on a motorbike. Ayush was thrilled to see this and decided to imitate the same. Fortunately, one of his relatives overheard Ayush's plan and forcefully stopped him. Okay, the story is clear. Why did Ayush decide to take the plunge? This kind of adventurous activity.
Because he was of adventurous attitude and he has got an opportunity after seeing that motorbike. The boy who was having high jump on the motorbike. So he was adventurous and he was in adolescent age. So he was in
Good,
the
sir.
age of imitate certain things which show him as a hero in that age.
Okay, so this is the trait of this adolescence period. That in this age. Yes, madam. Good. So the children of this age, they try to imitate others.
Yeah.
They don't have that much.
Logical observation.
The regions or logics that what should be done and what not. They try to follow. They try to imitate simply. What would you call this trait that Ayush has?
Imitating attitude without logical observation.
Imitation,
Yeah. And this is
copying others.
Yeah.
Can we call it the boy adventurous?
No.
No.
The boy is not adventurous.
Adventure should be guided with your logical
Yeah, yeah.
observation. If you are doing adventure randomly, it will harm you. The
It
adventure,
is going to harm certainly.
adventure is a positive word. Generally, people use it in negative sense.
Negative sense.
Okay, sir. Thank you. What could have been probable consequences of the act?
He may get hurt.
You might have got it. Himself. Is it common at this age to get influenced by what is seen in media?
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
Certainly.
That's why in media they used to give a footnote that it you should not use.
This age group is more affected.
Yeah.
Rebati is one girl, feels case. Rebati is a 13-year-old girl and she studies in a government girls senior secondary school. She lives with her parents. Rebati's mother often tells her not to talk very long on the phone, to spend more time studying rather than watching TV. Rebati feels that her mother treats her like a small child and does not respect her ability to take good decisions. Rebati feels very restricted and angry. I think we parents also confuse the children when they are in adolescent age. क्योंकि यदि कुछ मिस्टेक उनसे हो जाए, कुछ गलती हो जाए उनसे, तो यही कहते हैं कि अब तुम बच्चे नहीं हो, अब तुम बड़े हो गए हो, ये सारी चीज़ें तुमको समझनी होगी, सारी चीज़ें आनी होगी तुमको। और यदि कुछ चीज़ें हैं ऐसी हैं जो रिलेटेड टू फैमिली, यदि वो सुनना चाहें तो उसमें कहते हैं कि यहाँ से हट जाओ, अभी बहुत छोटे हो, अभी बच्चे हो, तुमको ये सब नहीं सुनना चाहिए। वो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि हम बड़े हैं कि बच्चे हैं, क्या है। Is the conflict between Rebati and her mother a common occurrence?
Yes. It is.
If yes, what are the reasons for these conflicts between parents and children?
See, the parents are quite experienced. They know the consequences after having that act. But the students they are going to have the first chance they are going to attempt those things. So they don't know the consequences which can occur in future. That is the thing. The parents generally used to stop them whenever they do the things which may harm in their future.
Conflicts?
Is there lack of mutual understanding?
Yes.
No, it's not so, sir.
Huh.
It is completely different.
It is completely different.
Yeah, it is completely
Child is able to understand that what mother says, it is for the good.
At that
It
point
is
of-
going to help her.
At that point of time, they never understand. But when they become mature, they think that their parents were correct.
So the parents are not responsible for this.
Now they should do counseling instead of restricting.
Parents counsel the child,
Yeah.
and the parent should bring the child in confidence
Yes.
that they always think for their betterment. Okay? Then the child would start realizing, would start feeling that what is being said by their parent, that is for his or her benefit, betterment.
There are two types of motivations, no?
Yes.
Intrinsic and extrinsic. Both motivations should be given to them according to consequences and circumstances.
Yes.
Intrinsically as well as extrinsic motivation should also be given.
Certainly,
According to
sir.
circumstance, we should change the.
Good. What can Revati and her mother do to resolve this conflict?
They should sit together, they should discuss about it, and they should know what consequences may occur due to these things.
So only the thing is that they should sit together,
Discuss.
they should spend some quality time.
Yeah.
Okay. Physical changes during adolescence, we have discussed this one. These are the changes. Again, another activity is here. We have discussed this one, this kind of changes, physical changes, which occur in this age. My father calls me Said. Rakesh and Mehir, students of class 9, are walking home together from school. Rakesh begins to tease Mehir, saying that he speaks in a girl's voice. He also laughs at the fact that Mehir has got no hair on his upper lip. Look at me, Rakesh says. I am a real man. My voice is strong and my face is manly. I have so much facial hair. My father calls me Sher. Mehir wonders what is wrong with him. He recalls that his mother still calls him my sweet boy. My sweet boy. He decides to go home and ask his mother why he is so different from Rakesh and whether something is wrong with him. Is there something wrong? No, sir, nothing is wrong. Okay. What do you think Mehir felt with Rakesh's remarks? Would he be disheartened?
Yes.
Embarrassing.
Complex would be there? Okay. And he might lose his confidence also? Huh?
Maybe.
Maybe? Okay. What do you think Mehir felt? Okay. Do you think that there is something wrong with Mehir? Nothing is wrong?
No.
Because such changes take place at the different age. It, as Adi Muku sir explained, that it depends on the food, the environment, and also it takes place genetic problem in
Hereditary also.
food.
It's hereditary also.
Heredity maybe, yes. Do you think it is important to prepare children regarding the changes likely to occur in them?
Third one.
What should
Third one, what should Mehir's mother tell him? Should she call my sweet boy?
Yeah, why not?
Huh?
Why not? She can call. But
She
the thing
can call.
is, yeah, all of a sudden if she will change, no, it will give a negative as condition to her child.
Is there any negative impact on Mehir when he is called my sweet boy?
No, I don't think so.
Then why this word has been written in inverted comma?
Because he is comparing this word with shade. That is
That
his
is-
psychology.
yes, that
And
is the
Mihir-
thing, sir. That is the
Mihir's
thing I
mother
want
should-
to-
yeah, Mihir mother
Whether-
should discuss that the
Yes.
words are different, but you are much sweeter than him. It
Oh,
does
okay,
makes
that-
difference whether what's
okay,
your
sir.
looks and what's your etiquette.
Okay, sir, good.
Yeah.
But one boy is called Said by his parent, another is called by his sweet
By his
boy.
father.
Then he compares. Okay? Then he compares. Because Mehir has said that his father used to call him Said. But what he feels? That his mother.
Sair and sweet boy.
Hmm.
If
it is not as per their appearance,
Yes.
but it is by their parents.
And it is the psychology of a male.
Love and affection.
Share is given.
Comments. The love and affection the mother and father give.
Yeah.
Will be clear
Yeah.
if they know the time will come in different time, then it will be no matter. तो शेर भी नहीं बोलेंगे आप
नहीं साहब, अब शेर कौन बोल रहा है? एक मेल बोल रहा है।
हाँ,
मम्मी
पापा
अच्छा
जी
लेडी क्या बोल रही है? स्वीट साइकोलॉजी है।
तो ये बुढ़ापे में
Psychology.
पापा उसको
मम्मी
strong
के पास
बनाने
वो
के लिए।
पापा चाहते हैं कि वो शेर जैसा रहे,
हाँ।
लेकिन माँ चाहती है कि उसका बिहेवियर दिखा।
Emotional touch है, which is given by
both
his
are
father
हाँ, both have their own emotion.
and my
Mother
sweet
is also
boy
calling
by
emotional
mother.
intelligence.
That is also
It is also
a
emotional.
kind of the
It is the psychology of the father and mother, not the child.
It shows the love and affection of both the father
and
and
both shows love. Both
Love and
shows
affection.
affection
Okay.
with their
So,
children.
mother never calls the child sage.
No, that's not it.
Mother calls only sweet boy,
This is
sweet
the-
girl.
No, this is the psychology of a lady.
Okay.
When you will tell a lady to draw, she will draw a flower. If you will tell to draw something to a boy, he will draw a car.
And
a
one
gun.
more thing, sir,
This is the
for a
psychology.
mother, her son or daughter is always a baby.
हाँ,
The chemicals are
Our
different in
child
both
is,
them.
he or she is always a baby for the father.
फादर जॉब जैसे आर्मी में
And ask us
हमेशा जो
mothers.
फौजी लोग होते हैं अपने बच्चे को थोड़ा स्ट्रांगली बोलते हैं
अच्छा.
और जैसे फिर टीचर्स के हैं बच्चे तो
Father
टीचर्स के
भी
जो
सबको
फादर हैं
strong
वो
बनाना।
उनका अलग से ट्रीट करते हैं
So it also depends on the profession of the parents. Okay. In what kind of profession they have, they used to call their
And
children.
the mother
in such a
always
way.
treats him or her as a kid.
Okay.
That's the difference.
Okay. Do you think, have you discussed this one? Last question also. Okay, thank you. Each one is unique. Pooja, Sujata, Abhida and Radha are good friends. All of them are 13 years old and love to spend time with one another. They have so much to talk about. The new film, the new dress, homework, the boys in the class and just about everything. Yesterday, Radha seemed uncomfortable. She was having her periods and was concerned about staining her uniform. Last month, Sudha's family had organized a big celebration in her honor as she had started her periods. Pooja recalled that 3 months ago, Avida had started her periods and his school had to borrow a sanitary napkin from her older cousin. Except Pooja, all her parents had started. Is there something wrong with her?
No.
Already, RD sir has explained this one. Okay, nothing is wrong. It depends on the food we take, the environment, and the other things.
Nature also, sir.
And the nature
Nature
also.
also. पहले सर एडोलेसेंस से 14 से 19 आता था. आज देखिए 10 से 10 अबव को लेने लगा. धीरे
Okay.
धीरे 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 सारे चेंजेस आते हैं.
It is also hereditary.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe. Okay.
hereditary means sir health.
हाँ.
Health depends on heredity also.
Okay. Ah, yes, sir. Sure.
जैसे कि height depends on heredity.
Okay.
Height of a boy, girl, this is on heredity.
Ah, yes, sir. Sure.
हाइब्रिड का प्रॉब्लम
If Pooja came to you for advice, what would you tell her as a peer?
माँ पिताजी से भी बच्चे लोग क्या होते हैं
Peer is good, but as a teacher, what should be your advice? Huh?
मैटरनल फैमिली देखिए फिर आप आगे का चाचा
Do you think it is important to prepare children regarding the changes likely to occur in them and why? And that is why I think some chapters are there. Such chapters, such topics in class 7 perhaps.
In B.Ed it is a very big topic.
In
In B.Ed also.
in B.Ed it was the topic.
That's why it is taught to each and every teacher.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. Because it is an age of stress and storms. They should be there.
ये स्कूल से रिलेटेड इस बात ही कर रहे हैं कि when marriage starts, the girls feel awkward, okay? और पेरेंट्स जो है वो बच्चे को बोलते नहीं है, जो बच्ची लोग है उसको कि क्या बात है नहीं है, जब अचानक हो जाता है तो वो awkward फील करता है. तो हमारे स्कूल में हम बहुत पहले एक प्रोग्राम कराते थे मैडम, हम लोग याद है, आप भी पार्टिसिपेट, मैडम तो पार्टिसिपेट किए थे, आप भी शायद किए थे, रश्मि मैडम नहीं है क्या? ये लोग को हम लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देते थे कि क्लास 6 के बच्ची लोग को कम से कम 6 के बच्ची लोग को ये बात बताया जाए और किस तरह से इसको टैकल करें, ना कि पैनिक करें। ये स्कूल से हम लोग कराते थे इस प्रोग्राम को और ये हर साल होना चाहिए। जैसे ही बच्चे 6 में आ जाते हैं, फर्स्ट सेशन में ही एक दिन का बच्चे लोग को अलग से बुला के गर्ल्स को 3 मैडम रहेंगे और इस चीज को बताना चाहिए। इस तरह से हम लोग कोरोना के बाद में बहुत पहले ये वो बंद हो गया। उससे पहले कराते थे हम लोग, होता था, हमको याद है अच्छी तरह से। तो ये मैडम आपको बता रहे हैं, ये बायो टीचर है, वो मैकेनिज्म बता देगी कि किस तरह से हम लोग क्या करना चाहिए। ये सब बता देने से अच्छा होता है और घर में भी बोलेगा बच्ची को कम से कम स्कूल में ट्रेनिंग तो ये शुरू कीजिएगा मैडम, तो अच्छा रहेगा। खाली ट्रेनिंग लेने से नहीं होगा, कुछ तो हम लोग काम नहीं करेंगे।
Thank you, sir. Good. Very good. We have discussed this one.
आपको तो अभी नहीं देखिए
मैनेजिंग इमोशंस आर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है सर।
Managing emotion.
मैनेजिंग इमोशन,
हाँ.
ये जो बोलते बच्चे लोग गुस्सा जाते हैं, ये इमोशन सबका अलग अलग है। इमोशन को मैनेज सब कुछ नहीं कर पाता। वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, हाउ टू मैनेज योर इमोशन, बहुत बड़ा चीज है सर।
एक कुछ बात बोलिए सर इमोशन मैनेजमेंट। आइए
तो
देखिए सर, आइए सर, आइए। मोस्ट वेलकम सर।
आइए सर को भी थोड़ा आराम दीजिए, लगातार बेचारे को क्यों बोल रहा है?
अच्छा ठीक है, तब तक पॉइंट सोचिए, आगे बढ़ने दीजिए, पॉइंट सोचिए।
These are the challenges related to such thing what we have discussed now. Learners may challenge facilitator regarding entering religious places, kitchen, etc. during menstruation. Some communities may say that this is forbidden in their religious text also. साउथ का जो था ना टेम्पल का केस वगैरह जो है, हमको लगता है कि इसी से रिलेटेड था और लोग जो है चीज़ काफ़ी दिनों तक मीडिया में रहा है।
तोड़ना बहुत जरूरी है सर।
हाँ,
नहीं ये इससे रिलेटेड नहीं था सर, लेडीज को अलाउड ही नहीं था।
लेडीज को अलाउड नहीं था
ये डिफरेंट
बहुत जरूरी है
और
समाज में।
इसका कंटेक्स्ट अलग है।
Somehow-
वो कंटेक्स्ट
दिस इज नॉट रिलेटेड
ये
टू।
आपके मंदिर में भी ये अलाउड है, यहाँ पर तो
हटाना बहुत जरूरी है
ये
सर।
अच्छा,
ये चीज तो जो है ना बच्चे के मन से और ये समाज में हमारे चल रहा है, ये अशुद्ध हो गया, साइकिल स्टार्ट हो
तो
गया।
कौन इसको उठाएगा सर?
ये सर
Spreading awareness, okay, guiding the children and all because they are the future generation. ये सारी चीजें हम लोग इसको करेक्ट कर सकते हैं। Tell them that there are many practices we follow because they are part of our culture. Even if others may not believe, we may ask our elders and make informed choices. Okay. So these are the things. So many slides and duty that matters. Okay, duty that matters. When we talk about the personality and all, beauty means what? Only the outer appearance, our look, the personality.
यस सर।
Huh? Only outer appearance.
in first instance. In first instance.
In first instance.
Yes.
Okay.
Behavior, beauty, behavior, knowledge.
What the traits we have? Okay. What the virtue we have?
Yes.
Okay. Our personality is combination of what? Our virtue, our traits, and our appearance. It is not only appearance. At a first sight, someone may be influenced, may be attracted, seeing the appearance. But in due course of time, what the quality you have, you are noticed, you are known for that. And this is the combination of both. This is a very famous story, I think we certainly would have heard or read somewhere. There was a man who made a living selling balloons at the fair. He had all colors of balloons, including red, yellow, blue, and green. When your business was slow, he would release a helium-filled balloon into the air, and when the children saw it go up, they all wanted to buy one. They would come up to him, buy a balloon, and his sales would go up again. He continued this process all day. One day he felt someone tugging at his jacket. He turned around and saw a little boy who asked, "If you release a black, would that also fly?" Moved by the boy's concern, the man replied with empathy, "Son, it is not the color of the balloon, it is what is inside that makes it go." Okay? What is this story trying to tell us?
आउटर ब्यूटी के बारे में बताया
Physical appearance is not nice.
What is inside?
आपके अंदर के इंडिकेट्स क्या है वही आपको
इनर क्वालिटी
Inner quality,
Potential.
potential. Okay.
एक और चीज वो बताना भूल गए सर, सिर्फ उसके अंदर क्या है वो मैटर नहीं करता, आपका बाहर का एनवायरनमेंट भी क्या है वो भी बहुत मैटर करता है। तभी आप ऊपर जाते हैं। नहीं एनवायरनमेंट नहीं है, प्रेशर पड़ा है
Okay, the
तो वहाँ प्रेशर कैसा
a small child of that age should be the small child should be given limited information. Okay, if we start discussing all these things, certainly the child would be confused. Okay, how does this story relate to our real life? Huh? Real life with
Whatever sign, whatever appearance is there, it is no matter. Your inner quality, your work capacity will make you hard.
So we should try to harness our inner qualities. We should try to develop our inner qualities. We should focus much more on that, not only on our appearance. And the children should be also taught the same. Okay, that it is not only your appearance which can take you up ahead in your life, but you should develop some qualities, some traits, some values. Then only the child can make his future bright.
ब्लैक बैलून क्यों नहीं उड़ा
बस इसको खत्म करके ब्रेक ले लो तो क्या ब्रेक वगैरह का सिस्टम है इसमें।
हाँ ले सकते हैं सर 10 मिनट
इसको कंप्लीट करके और नहीं करते हैं, है ना इसको?
प्रोजेक्ट की सेट
हाँ,
अंतर होता है
Salini and her friends in class 8 were preparing for their school's annual function. All of them were very excited. Salini was taking part in classical dance while her classmates Anita and Parag were in the play. One day Anita said mockingly to Salini, "You are so dark. We will need additional light to be able to see you on the stage." Salini did not reply to her. Parag felt bad for Salini and said, "You dance so well. Why don't you use a fairness cream to get a fair complexion? Can you imagine how nice you will look on the stage if you had a lighter complexion?" Salini smiled and said, "Thank you, Parag. I appreciate your concern, but I am happy with my complexion as it is. My teacher and I are working hard on my dance practice and are confident that our efforts and your good wishes will lead to a good performance." Okay, the same quality what we have discussed. What do you think of Anita's remark about Salini? What was Anita's remark? What Salini said? You are so dark. Nice.
I don't know, it's a fairness thing.
You are so dark, we will need additional light to be able to see you on this space. So what do you feel about her remark? She was simply trying to demoralize. Because of complexion. Is it important? Complexion? How do we look? A little bit. Okay? Little bit. But ultimately, our traits, our virtues, our values. If she dances well, certainly she will be appreciated by everyone. What do you think of Farah's remark? Explain your answer. Farah's remark was?
Instead of reacting, they responded to the situation.
What did it say? Farah felt bad for Salini and said, you dance so well, why don't you use a fairness trait to get a fair complexion? So does she have the same opinion what Salini had about the appearance and all? She was trying to.
She was having a supporting attitude.
She was having supporting attitude. Okay, she was not trying to demoralize her. What do you think of Salini's response? How does she see herself? What she says? Thank you, Farah. I appreciate your concern, but I am happy with my complexion as it is. And she is much more focused on what? On her dance practice. Okay? She is not worried about her complexion. Okay?
She thinks of her performance.
Like other children. Other children of this age group generally they get affected. They are disheartened. They are demoralized when they get such remark from the other people. But she is little bit different and she takes the remark in different way. If you were in Salini's place, what would you have done and why?
एक बार फेसियल में करवा लिया चलो भाई आगे देख लेते हैं जो होता है फैक्ट तो यही है
सही बात है।
हाँ
विचार करता सोचता एक आध बार फेसियल करवा लेगा तो भाई
किसी ने
समय पे इग्नोर करता बाद में
जरूर कुछ इसका मतलब होगा जरूर इसका कुछ इम्पोर्टेंस होगा कि प्रेम ने सलाह दिया है
प्रैक्टिकली बताइए फिलोसॉफिकली
थैंक यू सर तो कैन वी हैव ब्रेक
30 मिनट
हाँ इंचार्ज साहब कहाँ चले गए गौतम सर
4 मिनट
वो आप बोलते हो समझ लीजिए
ठीक है हम लोग कितना बजे मिलेंगे यहाँ पर
11:30 बजे हाँ 11 बजे
पौने 11 में मिलते हैं हम लोग कैसे
हाँ
क्योंकि स्टार्ट होते थे